What's up, guys? So this is actually a behind the scenes of a pickup shoot from the short film we're working on. The actual behind the scenes is coming soon. We just don't want to release it before the actual film. So we thought this doesn't give enough away, but it gives you guys some content to check out. So this is the pickup shoot that we had to do for a couple shots at the location. It's kind of vlog style, it's kind of goofy, but anyway, I thought you guys would enjoy it, so this is that, so jump into it.
Hi, I'm Cameron Gallagher, and this is Jackass. How's that ever been? You getting video or photo? So we're getting a shot. This just looks good. I don't know if we're gonna use it. Maybe we could open the film with it or something, but just looks cool. So we'll just go with it. And it's like, it's one of those things where it's like, I feel like if you have a good shot in front of you, just get the shot because you may use it for something else. Who knows? So, yo, I think MTV cribs. Yo, come check out my crib. I kind of want to like get the tree in it. It's just the satellite dish looks like shit. I think the front side's gonna look better, but yes, we'll get the front side. It looks like shit.
So I am on my way to the back of the house. Not gonna trip over these apples everywhere. So the other day when we set up, we had I don't have a lot to, so it doesn't sound that great. We had this kind of contraption going, and essentially we took a small tent. Cameron went and picked one up from Walmart, and we just wrapped it with just black plastic, so it was really thick, so that way it blocked out all the light, so that way when we shined it into the window, it made it seem like it was completely dark out when it was probably just a little bit darker than it is right now. But what we're gonna do here is just set this up so that way when it gets darker, we'll have everything set so that way we can shoot inside, and this will be the sun, the moonlight, one of those two things. I probably didn't need to turn this on quite yet, but we're gonna do that. And yeah, good explanation, Zach. Thanks, Zach. You're welcome.
Better have them than not, you know.
Just in case he never uses this, here you go. This is what it looked like. Hey, what's going on, camera? Looks like we're missing something.
We're missing something. It's called the table. The table literally got sold about 2 days after we left here. So we're gonna have to figure out where it's gonna be laying on the wood table. We'll figure that out. But first, come with me. We're gonna go back here and we're gonna do the bedroom pickup shot, which is one shot. What we missed was basically,
We need a lamp.
yeah, so we just need a shot of basically our character, Maya, before, when she looks from the door frame and then looks over with the light on. We don't have that shot. So we're gonna have the moonlight coming through as close as we can. Thankfully, this shot has no one in it. There's no actors or actresses, so thankfully it's not gonna matter. So anyway, we're gonna pump that light through. We're gonna haze out, oh, we got the hazer too. We're gonna haze out the room a little bit, and we're just gonna get literally a shot of looking here, nothing's there, looking over here, nothing's there. We also might get another shot of the door handle jiggling because I wasn't as happy with that as I wanted to be. And then we're gonna go out and try to find the wood and figure that out. So let's do it. Ready? Oh! Yeah, bring it down. That's always what they do, right? Like,
Look at that. Look at the cable organization.
it's prime, dude.
Yeah.
Do work leg day today? Sore. Me walking in, about to haze this place up. 420 blaze it. 420 haze it. Wow, this thing has a magnet. Why have I never known that?
What? I was gonna say that.
How long have I? Well, I don't think that long. And I think this pretty well mimics the like a light would. It might go down, but I'm not sure how realistic that looks. So I feel like we're gonna kind of obviously fake that and like have it bounce off this back wall.
I'm pulling a Casey Neistat moment. Okay, ready? So in case you guys didn't know, this room was actually used for both scenes. So the shot where, what's her name in the thing?
Who?
What's her name in the thing?
Who?
What's Riley's character?
Emma.
So this scene where Riley's character looks down the hallway, it was actually looking down to this mirror. And then later on we just moved it for the other scene. It's supposed to be a different room, but it's the same room. Found footage. We both just die.
Get out of here real quick.
Hey, Cameron, your light's on fire.
Oh shit. Should I go up? That looks too diffused. I feel like.
I have the quasars.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
All right, I'll go grab them. Ready? Gonna grab them in 3, 2, 1.
The f was that? Oh, that was your like Daniel shit for epic B-roll. My bad.
Epic B-roll, switch transition moment.
Too scary. Please. Please.
Haze come in. So I gotta shoot right here, right?
This is gonna be mad close. I mean, I don't want the haze. Yeah, it's like I'm gonna like literally like just the photo in frame. I have to do it underneath, even though it's not real. Oh, watch your foot. Bring it even closer. Like I'm talking like just fill the frame basically. Yep. And tilt it forward like towards me. Ghostbusters. I mean, we could use this thing. We could use this.
It's really small.
Yeah, but I mean, it's, you know, worst case scenario. Let's go see what we got down here.
Oh hey, how's it doing today?
This is bigger.
This is like footage right here.
This is bigger. Actually, this could work perfect. Do you want to see something wild? Want to see something cool? I was just about to do that.
Yeah, you can do it better than me because I'm holding it.
It's actually playing drums. Oh shit. Yummy. Just like that.
Yeah,
Maybe though it's because it's kind of like sideways, so yeah.
I mean, you're gonna get like this. Oh, do we need to put other stuff on here?
Oh yeah, like
Did they have like these? Were they using these? Oh yeah, you can actually see the photo of the table in the shot, so people will be able to tell that the grain was.
Move your head, dude. It's right in the light.
You're welcome.
Dope.